Coffee Mead, Part 2, The Wrecking. Hi, I'm Brian.
I'm Derica, and you're watching City Steading Brews. We are back with the Coffeemel, aka Coffee Mead.
A lot of people have been asking about this one. And they kept saying, so when are you going to show the follow-up video to this? When it's ready. That's the answer. We don't actually put a time on these things. It's when it's ready. Now, I hate to watch bubbles, but I can see that there's still bubbles coming out of this. This was done on January 15th, 2020. Today is March 15th, 2020. That's 2 months. It should be done, but are we sure? No, we're not. And that's why it's taken this long. I actually wanted this to clear a bit, and as you can see, it did. I wanted to get it mostly done before we got to this point, because you should not rack things until they are finished fermenting, okay?
Are we reading or racking first?
We're going to take a reading first, because that's what I always tell people to do.
Good.
So what we're going to do is pull out this.
As you can tell by the moisture that is coming off of these things that are on
Everything's been
this towel,
sanitized in.
The red bucket of sanitation!
For those of you that wanted that, are you happy now? Neat color. Those of you who pay attention to such things might remember that we started this at 1.122 original gravity, and it is now, so this is 1.054, which is only 10.5 or so ABV. We used Lalvin 71B yeast. There's potential for this to go much higher than it did. I'm concerned.
And there's still little bubbles coming up.
And as Derek is pointing out, there are still bubbles coming up. You know what that means? This is not done. It's not even stalled. It's just working very slowly. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to put this sample back in. It's going to go back under the desk, and we'll see in a few more weeks. So we're going to put an airlock back on this and put it back under the desk, and we'll see you in a few weeks. In the meantime, thanks for watching as always, and have a great day.
Bye-bye.